In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Discord error login or password is invalid. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment down there. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually open up settings on your phone and check your phone's passkeys or password options within here. On an iPhone, it's something like autofill and passwords. On an Android, you could go specifically to Google and then manage your Google account. And from there, you could go into security password manager. But from here, just make sure it is ticked on just like so. And then open up your passwords app, go into the all section, and search for Discord, and you're going to see your username and your password within here. Go ahead and copy your saved Discord email and password and paste them into that Discord login screen. If you don't have it saved, open up Discord, and what you're going to want to do is actually enter in your email or your phone number and tap forgot password, verify that CAPTCHA, and then check your Gmail for the reset link. From here, you're going to need to reset your password, create a new one, and then confirm it. And when you log in with your updated credentials, that error should now be gone. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.